Maayong adlaw Bohol, magandang araw Luzon, a beautiful day all around the world, mga kalobis, mga kabibe. Well, today, our recipe is kilawing pugita, kilawing octopus. Ito po yung mga ingredients mga bebe. This is very simple recipe. Palambutin lang natin ang ating octopus. And then dito, hihiwain nyo lang po yan according to your gustong size ng pagkahiwa. Okay, may ginger tayo. Meron tayong onion, siling haba, cut into very small pieces. Siling red chili, and then our best vinegar or calamansi juice. Paghaluin lang natin yan mga kalobis, mga kabibe, at nilagyan din namin yan ng konting tausi. And then, we add a little amount of rock salt and a pinch of bitsin. Shout out kay Mama Leticia Roa, Malabago Castrojas Ray, Violetas Real, Jennifer Cal, and Romel Espinosa. So guys, here now, we done making. So, we will try how's the taste. Ang yummy. Another one, mga kalowis, mga kabe, comment down below so that I can shout out you in my next video. Napakayami mga bebe. You can try to cook it at home, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy with my recipe for today. Until we see each other again in my next video. Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay. Thank you for watching and take care.